The front and rear sonar system helps detect obstacles in front of and behind the vehicle. If an obstacle is detected, the sonar system sounds a tone and an indicator appears in the center display. As you move closer to the obstacle, the indicator color changes from green to yellow and then to red as the tone rate increases until it sounds continuously. The system activates when the ignition is on, the vehicle speed is below approximately 6 miles per hour, and the shift lever is in drive or reverse. In drive, the sonar system helps detect obstacles in front of the vehicle. In reverse, the sonar system detects obstacles in front of and behind the vehicle. To adjust the sonar settings or enable or disable the sonar system, use these controls to select settings. Driver assistance. Parking assist. Then, select the setting you wish to change or the system you want to turn on or off. To ensure maximum accuracy of the system, please keep the sonar sensors located on the front and rear bumpers free from snow, ice, and dirt. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.